Go, Jing.
Hello, good afternoon. Today is December 1 and we're busy here in Litcher Daddy V at Maribago White Sand Villas. With us is the mayor of Limasawa Island. I let him introduce himself.
Hi, hello, good afternoon. I'm Mayor Melchor Petracorta of the municipality of Limasawa, Southern Leyte, and I am very thankful for Litcher TV as part of our contribution, being the island municipality won the award as Honor Nutrition Award, the Hall of Fame for the nutrition, and that's part of our program to give our children a good future, and Litcher contributed to us, and I'm very thankful for that, and we hope that many people will be happy for what they did, and I'm thankful again as part of the mayor of the municipality of Limasawa. And I know that the children in the municipality are very happy when Litcher come to our place, and I'm inviting everybody to visit our place, Limasawa, as part of your destination. Thank you.
Sige na. Thank you.